we have Aunt Hannah and soon to be Uncle Travis's wedding. So we are headed to Myrtle Beach for their wedding. Jason, Jack, the Homestead Gamer boys are with Papa and Mimi, my parents, and they're gonna be heading down tomorrow. So everybody in our family is in the wedding. John's riding with us, and he's got a little suit, so there'll be more to come. We're about to hit the road. Hey guys, it's not always easy getting ready to go out of town, and this is a busy month for us. So I'm just packing up the rest of the car, putting the Yeti cooler in there, the little one, and before we leave the homestead, we've got a lot to do. So we went ahead and harvested vegetables here. We got some more tomatoes out here. We'll see how it goes. Got the strawberries, got some green beans, got some squash, got some pickles, basically cucumbers, and lots of okra, and we're taking it with us. The chickens are fed. Everything's out for the rain. Got my automatic water for this garden, got the automatic water for the other garden, and the sheep have been taken over to my friend's house, so they are taken care of for now. And take the trash out and all the normal stuff that everybody does. There it is, the Buc-ee's. This place is awesome. All right, I got some brisket, some barbecue sandwiches, some nuts. Tara had to stay in the car with John, but we'll have to bring the boys back here. We're here at Grandma's house. Happy wedding day before day.
I know.
It's an easy. It's an easy. What'd you get, Hannah?
Her headpiece from her wedding that I'm gonna wrap around my flower bouquet.
Something borrowed.
Something borrowed.
You might want to choose that instead of the one there.
Whatever you want to eat. Gel for both.
I'm gonna do a.
How was that meal, Hannah?
Delicious.
Did you love it? And look at this beautiful artwork. Take a look. That's cute. And your baby husband is sleeping very peacefully. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
And
So
there's
good.
more to come.
Your baby husband.
Your baby husband. Oh, that's cute.
No, what is your
That's my baby husband. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh, can we grab it? Noisemaker. You didn't need that. Me around. Sorry.
It looked.
And the mama.
Okay, so I missed a bunch of good footage, but here we go.
We're here for the rehearsal at the historic peanut warehouse. And I think Papa Mimi will be here with the boys shortly.
I got a
Those
new
are awesome, Jace.
I got a new shirt at the mall.
Did you?
That's what he got when we went shopping with Mimi.
That's so handsome.
Look what type it is.
Jack.
Hey, Dad, look, it's just. Hey, Dad, look, it's the same. Hey, Dad, look.
Yeah, Ocean Coast. That's a cool one.
Awesome, buddy.
You ready?
Now close. Now close.
What's up? Big boy.
Here. Just dance.
Hey, Dad, how much is
What's up? The Homestead Gamers at a wedding. Aunt Hannah's wedding. Do you want to get some bread? Look at the marvelous food. Meat.
Going home.
Yeah, put it in there for right now.
You eating? Finally? Father of the bride, right here. Grandpa.
What you got?
Chris doing his thing, doing what he does best. And they ate half her food. Did you guys eat your food?
Yeah.
You need to eat your veggies, girl. Hey, we're gonna go around and make sure everybody's got a happy plate. You guys may be dismissed. You guys can dance. No dancing for you. You're good to go. You can get another beer. Here's a sticker.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you have the kids on there a lot.
You guys enjoy your dinner?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm JD. What's up? Okay, you can dance. You can dance. You can dance. Everybody here can dance. Except you. You didn't finish. DJ, what's up?
He comes over and asks a question while I got food.
Yeah.
Sounds like a good story.
Want to see that plate empty, sir. Otherwise, no dancing. Can you see your plate? Is it bright enough? No. No? Can't. If you...
I don't do that.
How's the food?
Good. Good.
I thought it was good. Looks like everybody ate their food.
Yeah.
That's good. Then you guys can have cake. Yeah. Best man?
How's it going?
Good. You just being the best over here? Showing off?
Yeah, just chilling.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn things over to Tara. She has a few words for our bride and groom.
I want to thank you guys for coming. My dad did a great job of that earlier, but it's just so good to see so many of your faces here. People that I haven't seen in years, people we haven't been able to get to, that have been at a distance, and it's been such a good time to see you guys. But we're here, and you guys are married, and in some ways, I can't believe that my beautiful sister is getting married, or she is married. You're not getting. All the child memories together, the Aladdin and the Silkies and the chocolate milk and all that stuff you guys don't know about. Just the little moments and memories of growing up together, and then now we're here, and you are, it's something we've been praying about for years and years and years. Not years and years. I'm getting nervous. Okay. But my beautiful, and if you don't know my sister, she is one of the most compassionate people you will ever meet in your whole life. She is so compassionate, so sweet in spirit, and just sincere and tough. I've seen her go through really hard things. And she never allowed it to make her heart hard. That is incredible strength. I'm so proud of you. And Travis, meeting you, I can see immediately why she chose you. Just exactly what she did, caring, your sense of humor. Just everything. Seeing how kind and gentle you are with her, and just how tender you guys are together is just such a blessing. And it's so good to know that she is in great hands, and you're going to take care of my little sister. And I know that I can just rest easy knowing you guys are going to be good. And we just bless you right now in your union together, as we have, we continue to do, as we continue to just come alongside you guys and pray and just support you guys in your new marriage. We just bless you guys again in Jesus' name. First, he'll do anything. Father, he shows you what love is. Saw your dreams before you did. He'll give everything. Like your heavenly Father, I see God in my Father's eyes. I see God.
Give it up for Hannah and her father.
I've been walking heartache, I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately ain't who I wanna be. But you stay here right beside me and watch as the storm blows through. And I need you, 'cause God gave you for the ups and downs. God gave you for the days of doubt. Before anything I lost my way, there are no words you have to say. It's true. God gave me you. Gave me you. There's more here than what we're seeing, a divine conspiracy. And you, an angel lovely, will somehow fall for me. You'll always be love's great wonder, and I'll be the flattered fool. And I need you. God gave you for the ups and downs. God gave you for the days of doubt. Before anything I lost my way, there are no words you have to say. It's true. God gave me you. On my own I'm only half of what I could be. I can't do without you. We are stitched together, and what love has tethered, I pray we never undo. 'Cause God
All right, give it up for Travis and his mom.